Deepika Kakkar, known for her warmth and resilience, is finally back home after a challenging battle with stage 2 liver cancer. Over the past few weeks, Deepika and her husband, actor Shoaib Ibrahim, have faced a deeply emotional time. But now, there's a glimmer of hope and happiness returning to their lives. Deepika recently underwent a grueling 14-hour-long surgery and spent 12 days in the hospital. She was discharged on 12th June, and her glowing smile spoke volumes about her strength and courage. In his latest vlog, Shoaib gave fans a heartwarming glimpse into life post-recovery. The video opens with him stepping out to buy toys for their son, Ruhan, and for his sister Sabah's newborn, Haider. He admitted that toy shopping is usually Deepika's domain, handled online, but this time, he took the reins himself. Back at home, Shoaib gently encouraged Deepika to use the spirometer, a device that helps improve lung function during recovery. Deepika followed along, showing her commitment to healing. Amidst the recovery, there were also light-hearted moments. Shoaib teased Deepika about the mess in the room. The couple laughed and shared a sweet moment in the kitchen as Shoaib made tea. "Hum aur hamari kitchen ki mastiya, alhamdulillah," he said with a smile, while Deepika joked that the living room's condition clearly shows she's back home. Adding to the laughter, Shoaib's mother joined in as he rode Ruhan's three-legged scooter. She teasingly remarked, "You bought it for yourself, not Ruhan." Despite these joyful moments, Shoaib didn't shy away from speaking about the emotional toll. He shared how tough it was when Deepika was in the ICU and how the family stayed strong together. "We decided to keep the atmosphere light and normal when Deepika came back," he said. "The journey ahead is still ongoing. Treatment continues, and the road to full recovery may take time." But Shoaib remains confident in Deepika's strength. "Deepika always says she has to recover soon for her son, and she will fight with everything," he added. With love, faith, and support from their fans, Deepika's healing journey moves forward, stronger than ever. Tensions are running high between social media star Apoorva Mukhija and internet sensation Urfi Javed, and it appears their fallout goes much deeper than what's seen on screen. The duo began their journey on a reality show with a show of solidarity, swearing by a Behan code in the very first episode. However, that bond was short-lived. Their friendship took a sharp turn when Apoorva allegedly snapped at Urfi, who had repeatedly questioned her about why she was crying. Urfi, upset by the interaction, didn't hold back. She reportedly claimed, "Apoorva is not on her level career-wise and should show her more respect." But Apoorva soon revealed that there was more to the story than what viewers saw. A few days later, she shared a detailed storytime video on her YouTube channel, providing her side of the events. In the video, Apoorva alleged that off-camera, Urfi insulted her in front of fellow contestants, leaving her hurt and in tears. She also opened up about a personal struggle she faced before entering the show, an argument with her mother. According to Apoorva, she was promised 3 phone calls during the shoot, but when she asked to call home, the makers allegedly denied her request, which made her more emotional. She recalled that Jannat Zubair had tried to comfort her during the moment. Apoorva requested that it remain private. However, when Urfi confronted her, she responded, "Not everything is about you, Urfi." That remark escalated the situation. After one of the tasks, once cameras were off and contestants returned to the palace, Apoorva said Urfi allegedly called out to her using offensive slang. Staying composed, Apurva replied, "Aram se," but this further triggered Urfi. Urfi allegedly shouted, "तुम्हें पता है तुम किससे बात कर रही हो? मैं तुम्हारे लेवल पे हूँ क्या? तुम्हारी औकात नहीं है मुझसे बात करने की." Apurva described the experience as deeply humiliating and emotionally painful. "I was still crying. मुझे बहुत ज्यादा बेइज्जती हुई थी, यार. This was my worst fear. Someone saying that I'm just an influencer and that I don't deserve to be on the show. I already felt that way. I felt like an imposter and I knew the audience would agree with her. I just felt so bad." As of now, Urfi Javed has not responded to the allegations. But this reality show feud has clearly crossed a line, and it's far from over. On 12th June, a tragic Air India plane crash devastated Ahmedabad, claiming the lives of 241 people on board and 29 people on the ground. But the toll may not end there. Filmmaker Mahesh Kalavadiya, also known as Mahesh Jiravla, has been missing since the crash, and his disappearance raises chilling concerns. Mahesh, known for directing music albums, was neither a passenger on the ill-fated flight nor inside the hostel where the plane crashed. Yet, he hasn't been seen since that afternoon. According to his wife, Hetal, Mahesh had gone to Law Garden in Ahmedabad that day to meet someone. She vividly recalls their last interaction. "My husband called me at 1:14 p.m. to tell me his meeting is over and that he is on his way home. But Mahesh never returned." The timeline becomes even more unsettling when matched with the flight's departure. The Air India aircraft took off at 1:39 p.m. Mahesh's phone reportedly switched off at 1:40 p.m., just 1 minute later. Even more disturbing, his phone's last known location was traced to just 700 meters from the crash site. His phone got switched off around 1:40 p.m. His scooter and mobile phone are missing. All this is unusual since he would never use that route to come home. Fearing the worst, Mahesh's family has submitted DNA samples, hoping to find answers, no matter how painful. "We have submitted DNA samples to check if he was one of those killed on the ground due to the crash." This heartbreaking situation adds another layer to an already devastating tragedy. While families across the country mourn the lives lost, Mahesh's loved ones remain in limbo, waiting for clarity, closure, and peace. As the investigation continues, the hope remains that Mahesh's fate will soon be known, and his family will have the answers they desperately seek. It's not easy launching a fashion brand, especially when the internet decides to weigh in. Actress Nupur Senon, sister of Kriti Senon, is facing serious backlash online after the launch of her fashion label. The reason? The prices. Netizens stumbled upon the website and were shocked to see the clothing tags. An asymmetrical dress for 10,900 rupees, a maxi dress priced at 10,700 rupees, rompers, jumpsuits, and mini dresses ranging from 9,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees. And let's just say, it didn't impress fashion enthusiasts. One user wrote, "The ridiculous price points of Nupur Senon's clothing line called Label Nobo doesn't explain why such basic clothes are sold at such high price points. Is it money laundering of some sort, scamming buyers?" Another added, "These are the ugliest clothes I've ever seen, good lord." And perhaps the harshest of all, I think her brand name is incomplete cause she clearly forgot to write label "Nobody is buying this overpriced fast fashion shit from me." Social media has been buzzing with memes, criticism, and jokes aimed at what many call overpriced basics. But who is Nupur Senon? She made her debut in 2019 with the music video Filhal opposite Akshay Kumar, which became a massive hit. She followed it up with Filhal 2, Mohabbat in 2021, again co-starring Akshay Kumar. In 2023, she starred as one of the female leads in Tiger Nageshwar Rao and has her Hindi film Noorani Chehra still awaiting release. Now, with this fashion controversy grabbing headlines, it seems Nupur Senon is facing a different kind of spotlight, one that comes with trolling, sarcasm, and some serious fashion policing. Only time will tell how their fashion level survives the internet's fashion critics.